Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an Excel conundrum that many of us have faced: how to print every other row in Excel. Fear not, because we've got an ingenious solution using the incredible power of Kutools for Excel. So, let's jump right in. Kutools for Excel is an amazing add-in that revolutionizes your Excel experience with a plethora of utilities. Have you ever struggled with the task of printing alternate rows in Excel? While Excel itself doesn't have a straightforward solution for this, Kutools for Excel steps in to save the day. Let's explore how to achieve this with Kutools for Excel in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Start by selecting the range from which you want to print every other row. Now, head over to the Kutools tab. Step 2. Within the Kutools tab, click on Select Tools and then choose Select Interval Rows and Columns. Step 3. A dialog box named Select Interval Rows and Columns will appear. Here, ensure that you've selected the Rows option. In both the Interval of and Rows text boxes, enter the value 1. Step 4. After setting the values, every other row within your selected range will be highlighted. Now, proceed to the Enterprise tab. Step 5. Under the Enterprise tab, locate and click on Printing Tools. From the drop-down menu, choose Print Multiple Selection Wizard. Step 6. The Print Multiple Selection Wizard dialog box will appear. Review your selections and configurations. Once you're satisfied, hit the Finish button. Step 7. Behold, a new worksheet will be generated, displaying only the rows you selected. Now, you can easily print these rows without the hassle of manual adjustments. And there you have it, folks. With Kutools for Excel, printing every other row becomes a breeze. Say goodbye to cumbersome workarounds and hello to efficiency. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable insights. Until next time, happy Excelling with Kutools.